NCTV45 Newcastle, The Train. You deserve a revitalization at Mary Turner's Day Spa and Beauty Boutique. The staff will make sure you relax and rejuvenate with their high-quality products and services. They take pride to give you a tranquil environment. Mary Turner's Day Spa at 2539 Wilmington Road in Shannock Township. Call to book a spa appointment at 724-657-5156. That's 657-5156.
NewsWatch, getting you in that holiday spirit. Yes, December 1st from 9 to 3 at Newcastle Harley Davidson. That's 4655 U.S. Route 422. They're going to have a open house, Christmas party, meet Santa, and so go out and check out their inventory and get in that holiday spirit. Now, we're going to take this break. We'll be right back after we hear from these great sponsors who keep community television on the air for you.